guys, and welcome back to the 6-month challenge. My name is Kate and I am trying to help you learn how to do affiliate marketing, UGC, and monetize your social media so that you can make an income online. Today is month 1, cycle 1, day 2. We're going to be talking about niche. It is not niche like I originally thought when I first saw that word. A niche is basically a specific topic or an area of interest that you focus on. It helps you connect with the target audience who shares your passion or needs your expertise. The beauty of monetizing social media, UGC, and affiliate marketing is that it can work with pretty much any niche. From fitness to fashion to finance, the possibilities are endless. If you're thinking about getting into social media, you've probably heard the debate between niching down and not niching down. Let's talk about why a niche matters in this specific circumstance. Having a niche helps you stand out in a crowded online space. It shows potential followers, brands, and clients that you know what you're talking about. So what should you pick as your niche? Let's align your niche with your passions and your skills. Ask yourself, what are you naturally drawn to? What could you talk about for hours without getting bored? If you love skincare, maybe your niche is helping others find affordable beauty routines. And think about what you're good at too. If you're great at organizing, maybe focus on home productivity. And then sell organizational products through affiliate links and create UGC for lifestyle brands. Niching down can also help with research trends and audience preferences. To do this research, you can use online tools, platforms like Google Trends, Pinterest, and TikTok search bar until the 19th anyway, can help you see what's trending in real time. Research other creators in your niche and see what they're doing. But think about how you can put your own spin on it, because trying to exactly copy and paste something somebody else doesn't tend to translate as authentic. Now, we're also going to talk about your target audience. My niche is helping other people learn how to make money online. And my target audience, at least what I think it is women between the ages of 18 and 35. If you're targeting women between the ages of 18 and 35, think about their challenges, their aspirations, and their daily life. Your content should speak directly to their needs. For example, young moms might need time-saving meal ideas, while college students might want affordable fashion tips. Let's talk about a few different niches and how they work. Wellness and self-care. Your target audience could be women prioritizing their mental health and wellness. Ideas for content could be something like sharing morning routines, self-care hacks, or mindfulness tips. And you could promote products like journals, meditation apps, or spa kits. Or your niche could be fashion on a budget. Your target audience could be young professionals or college students who want to look stylish without overspending on their budget. Content ideas could be look for less outfit ideas, thrift hauls, or even capsule wardrobes. You could be an affiliate for clothing brands or create UGC for fashion retailers. And our last example is home decor and DIY. Your target audience might be women setting up their first home or apartment. Content ideas might look like DIY hacks, affordable decor finds, and room transformations. Partner with home goods stores and craft supply brands. Choosing a niche doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start with what excites you, research different trends, and think about your audience's needs. And think about what that content looks like and if that's the type of content that you think you would enjoy making, because you're going to need to enjoy making it, at least in the beginning, because this is a lot of work. But once you've picked your niche, you're ready to start creating content and turning your passion into profit. What niche are you considering? Drop it down in the comments. I'd love to hear it and maybe help you brainstorm. So buckle down, figure out a couple niche ideas, do some research on them, and then once you've narrowed it down to one niche, start to narrow down who your target audience is. Look at who is responding to that type of content and think about the type of audience that could relate to you personally. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss future tips, tricks, and tutorials. My name's Kate, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for month 1, cycle 1, day 3.